Hey everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a broken pickaxe in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, open your workspace. The first step is to open the simple box you use for building things. You don't even need a heavy station for this method. Your basic building square will work just fine. Open your bag or walk up to your wooden building table. Look at the small group of empty squares where you usually make your items. Because the game needs a place to mix the two items together, you have to use these squares so the computer can see both tools at the same time. Without this step, you would just be holding two broken items instead of making something useful for your work today. Next, place the first broken tool. You need to pick one of your worn-out pickaxes and put it into one of the empty squares. Take one broken tool from your bag and place it in a square. It doesn't matter which square you pick, as long as it is inside the building area, because it tells the game you are ready to start the merging process. By placing the first tool down, it prepares the game to take the small amount of strength left in this tool and add it to another one. Next, add the second broken tool. Now you need to take your second worn-out pickaxe and put it in the square right next to the first one. Place your other broken pickaxe in the square next to the first one. Watch the single box on the right side to see the new tool appear instantly. You are now using the combination method. The game takes the strength from both old tools and adds them together. It even gives you a little bit of extra power as a bonus for mixing them. It is the key step to getting the right output and making one strong tool out of two weak ones. And that's it. To fix a pickaxe, you must first open your building squares. Then, you place one broken tool in a square. Next, you put the second broken tool right next to it to merge them. Finally, you take the new, strong tool and put it in your bag. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.